Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcash on Web Tech Zone. In this video today we are going to learn how to change your workday hours in your Outlook or Outlook calendar. So I'm going to show you how you can set the workday in Outlook. So let's start with the video. Before you starting, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me show on my Outlook. So here I'm just open the Outlook, my Outlook, and as you know, so every country has a different weekday or weekends. Some country has the Friday week or Friday Saturday weekends, and some country has Saturday and Sunday. So how you can change as per your country, or how you can set the manually. So I will show you. So just go to the files and go to the office account here, or go to the option, just click on option. Okay, click on option. I will show you again. Click on option tab, then this pop-up will be open. Okay, now here you can find the, you can see the calendar option. Just click on it. Okay, so in calendar, you can first option, you can see the work time. So here you have to choose the start time and end time. So this is a 24 hours time, so you can set as per. So I just set the from morning 9 to evening 5:30. Okay, so you can see. And work week, you have to set the work week. In by default Saturday Sunday is off, so you can change as per your uh, company. So I set as a default Saturday Sunday off. And first day of week, you can set the Monday, because Monday, the week start from Monday, you can see. And first week of the year, you can set Saturday on January. So you can also, if I use the for first 4-day week, first full day week. Okay, you can set as per requirement. After you done, just click on OK, and then your working hours will be changed. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.